This little garden tractor was the thirstiest little thing in the world. You could not run it 2 days on the same tank of gas. It would just go through a tank of gas in no time at all. But you always smelled gas around it. Well, I guess it had a gas leak. So I took the gas tank off and bought a new hose for it. But what I noticed is that this tank had some previous repairs. You can see them there and down here, which I thought were welded, but they were not. That is lead, and somebody with a lot more skill than I have leaded those back up. I got my soldering iron out, heated it up, and tried to plug that one that was leaking, and I melted a bunch of lead, used a bunch of flux, and nothing really happened. So I decided to go sort of hillbilly style, and I created this patch out of an old beer can and slavered it with JB Weld on the front and back, pushed it up against there, so now it's got a pretty good seal against all that Swiss cheese that wanted to leak out around there. And hopefully when I get this thing back in, it'll hold gas this time. So cross your fingers. Hope to have gas in the tank that stays in the tank and doesn't drain out before I can even possibly run it through the engine. Thanks for watching.